enchanting. There's my lunch area there. It was a big challenge to get it down that little hill. Super high tide, windy. The mangroves are super close. I got all hanged up on the mangroves. But finally, I got my kayak in the water. I'm here in the causeway. Hopefully we can catch something. If not, I'm just gonna make it into just a relaxing cruising day. Look at that, super high tide. Practically knee high right now. I can probably already sit and take off. Whoa. Oh, wind blowing way over. Nope. Back in the mangroves. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. Let's go. Power, power, power through. Super windy today again. Very cloudy also. I mean, we've been having incredible nasty weather lately. Wow. Yeah, nice swells again. I have the feeling that I'm gonna be pretty much fighting the wind. But sometimes you gotta fish when you gotta fish, when you're free. Alright, time to paddle. Pero having a late start today. Not the best conditions to fish today. But I noticed that the next weekend is gonna rain also. So this was my little window here. Sorry about the wind. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay, so I definitely got something. I just don't know what it is. Let's see. Hopefully it's not a ladyfish. I think I'd rather have the ladyfish. Ah. Open up. Open. Here you go. At least it's something. Ah! No, not inside the kayak. Oh my God. Unbelievable. So this is how we fish when the Weather Channel gets it wrong. super rough conditions. I mean, they said that it was gonna be like 14, maybe even 16. I don't think so. It's like in the 20s, easily in the 20s. Over there, right in front of me. Well, at least I'm practicing casting here. Accuracy, patience, persistence. Come on fish, look at my lure. Y'all see it? It's right in front of me. It's eating mullets or come on. Oh, right in front of me. Right in front of me. Right there. Come on. No. The tail doesn't eat. Come on. Look at it. Look at it. Stop eating the mullet. Oh. Come on, let's put some on this thing. Come on, you can do it. Let's see. They're killing me, they're killing me. They want nothing to do with my lure. Oh my god. There's like 4 of them. There's one in by the mangroves, there's 2 over here. Nothing to do. I'm trying to retrieve it really slowly, putting it in front of them. They don't want it. I think they're eating crabs. Come on, there's one right there in front of me. Right in front of the nose of the kayak. Oh my god, they're killing me. Look, right there, there's one. Come on, show yourself. Show yourself. Right in front of me. And I'm in casting. Come on, there's one over here too. There's one way over there. They're just tailing all over the place. Come on, I need a taker. I think I just hit one there. They have their noses very into the sand there. They're not even looking up. Come on, grab it. Has to be a curious one. Come on. Come on. Come on. This redfish has no shame. They're even tailing right next to my kayak. Unbelievable. Look at them. Look at them right there. No shame. No shame at all. That's how quiet I'm being. They're big size too. Very likely keepers. oyster fish. Unbelievable. Look at that. Trying these AM lures. Probably not the right color today, but oh well. Struggling. The redfish want nothing to do with me. They don't want to get caught. They're just cruising around me, tailing around me, waving me with their tails. Yep, there's one on the shallows over there. Oh my god. Look. Right there in front of me. Right there, two of them. There you go. See? They want nothing to do with me. They're big. They are big. Upper slot. I'm gonna situate myself over there, and let me see what I can do here. The problem is that here we have a lot of oysters. And I don't know if I'll be able to cast this way. Let's see. I don't think I'm gonna anchor because I have a feeling that I'm gonna get stuck again. What to do? Look at that. Wow. I'll tell you one thing, I'm gonna have to stand up. Stand up very carefully. Haven't tried it in a while, so I think that's different direction here. I'm trying to save you. Trying to save you. There he goes again. Alright, I'm gonna have to fish you. Oh, he goes again. My catch today. Magical. Hi. Sorry. And one of your eyes popped out. I guess I'll use you as bait later. Oh my goodness. Poor little guy. Sorry. Very vehicle. There's a huge black drum here, just cruising back and forth. Huge. I mean, if I had live bait, it would be a whole other story here. Yes. From bad to worst. Holy cow. Alright, where's that black drum? Where are you, black drum? The conditions were not the best today. Very, very windy. The swells were very big too. Very challenging fishing when it's like this. And on top of that, I did find the fish. They were on the mangroves. Found a beautiful school of redfish, but they were just toying with me. They just wouldn't get any of the lures. Changed location, went to another area with mangroves, and I saw a nice black drum. I think right now I'm just gonna try my Bixpy, cruise a little bit, and then just hit in. Tough conditions. The fish that had the popping cork and he was just floating around, I chased him for a little while, but he just didn't want to get saved. He kept going down to the bottom, and I tried retrieving that popping cork, but he just didn't help out. So he's floating around somewhere around here. All I'm gonna do is pretty much cruise around. It's not as choppy as before, so I think before it was very, very sketchy. So I'm gonna cruise a little bit and then just go back. Might as well rest my legs. Have something to drink.